Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. First we will see some points to remember. It is difficult to understand the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of or behind. It is easy to understand the location of an object with the help of directions. East, west, north and south are the four main directions. The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. If we stand facing the east, the west is behind us. The north is to our left and the south is to our right. A compass is also used to determine the directions. The magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. A compass is always used to determine the directions. The magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. The directions are always shown in a map. An arrow in a map always points to the north. Before reading a map, the directions on a map have to be aligned with the directions of the surroundings. The earth is also called the world. There are many continents and oceans on the earth. So the next one, there are many countries in each continent. Each country is made up of several states. India too is made up of many states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Each state is made up of several districts. Each district is made up of several talukas. Each taluka is made up of several cities, villages and settlements. So how a continent, a country, a state, a district, a taluka form, it is given here. Symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of these symbols, signs, shades of colors, etc. given along with a map is called an index. An index helps us to read a map. So these are some points. Now we will see question answers from the workbook. From that, question number 1, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the bracket. First one, there are dash main directions. Answer is 4. Number 2, dash is the capital of India. Answer is New Delhi. Number 3, dash is the capital of Maharashtra. Answer is Mumbai. And last, that is fourth one, dash is the second capital of Maharashtra. Answer is Nagpur. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. Each country is made up of several states. That is true. Number 2, the west lies opposite south. False. Number 3, Maharashtra is located to the east in India. False. Number 4, Arabian Sea is located to the west of Maharashtra. True. Number 5, India is located in the continent of Asia. This is true. So this is the question number 2. Next question, question number 3, match the column. For number 1, Asia, answer is continent. Number 2, India is a nation. Answer is nation. And third one, Maharashtra, it is a state. Answer is state. Question number 4, answer the following questions only in words. Name of your district, that is Thane. Thane. Number 2, name of your state, Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Number 3, name of your nation, our nation is India. And number 4, name of your continent, Asia. Next one, that is question number 5, cross out the wrong alternatives in the following statement. Number 1, the sun rises or sets in the east. Here sets is the wrong word. Number 2, Goa is to the south or north of Maharashtra. North is the wrong word. Number 3, Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh is to the north of Maharashtra. Andhra Pradesh is the wrong word. Number 4. Blue or red color is used to show water in maps. Red is the wrong word. And last, that is number 5. Jammu and Kashmir or Kerala is located in the northern part of India. Here Kerala is the wrong word. Question number 6. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Question number 1. What do we make use of to determine the east? Answer. We make use of rising sun to determine the east. Question number 2. Which is the direction opposite to the north? Answer. The south is the direction opposite to north. Question number 3. Which direction does the magnetic needle show? Answer. The magnetic needle show north-south direction. Question number 4. What is a continent? Answer. A vast section of land on the earth is called continent. Question number 5. What is an ocean? Answer. A vast section of salt water on earth is called ocean. Now next question, that is question number 6. What is an index? Answer. A list of symbols, pictures, signs and shades of colors given along with a map is called an index. Question number 7. What is the use of an index? Answer. To understand a map, index is used. So these are the question answers. Next question is, first one, write the names of continents. There are total 7 continents. From that first one, Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the names of continents. Number 2, write the names of oceans. First one, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean. So these are the question answers of lesson number 4. Here we have finished. In the next video we will see some points to remember and question answers of lesson number 5.